Today we need egg, mozzarella cheese sticks, oil, cooking wine, milk, sugar, salt, pepper. That's it. Let's prepare the eggs. We'll add some cooking wine. The wine adds its flavor to the egg, but the alcohol burns off during the cooking. Add milk, sugar, salt, and pepper, and then whisk until it's well mixed. Milk adds more liquid to the egg, which makes our roll soft. The sugar is optional if you want the egg rolls to be a little sweet. Straining the egg is mostly take out chalaza and also make more soft egg roll. Turn on your stove to lower heat and add a little oil. Start with a thin layer of egg and add the mozzarella sticks. Today I'm gonna use mozzarella cheese stick, but you can also use shredded mozzarella cheese or other types of cheese that you prefer. Roll the egg and leave about an inch to connect the next sheet of eggs to. After 3 sheets, you will have a beautiful roll ready to cut. If you want a different flavor, you can add final chopped vegetable like a carrot, onion, spicy pepper, or others, but mix with egg after straining. Let's cut our egg roll and enjoy!